Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruth and I do all things beauty, skincare and lifestyle. So in today's video guys, I'm going to be dyeing my hair. Yes, I'm going to be dyeing my hair from black to honey brown. Why? Because I feel like black hair is boring, and even though initially I wanted to go for the ginger color but I couldn't find the exact shade of ginger I wanted, I decided to opt for honey brown. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So what we are going to be needing for today's video is I'm going to be using the adult hair dye. This is the number 48, which is the honey brown like I stated earlier, and I'm also going to be bleaching my hair first. I'm going to be bleaching my hair first so as to make this color pop, because I feel like if I don't bleach the hair first and I use just this on the hair like straight up, the brown is not going to really like pop on. It's not going to really pop. So I'm going to be bleaching my hair first, and the bleaching product I got this bleaching powder, this olive oil bleaching powder, and my developer. This is the 12% developer. Guys, I don't even know the difference between this. I don't know what this percentage actually mean, because I saw like 10, 20, 30%, 12%. I just got this one because it came in this size and it is affordable. So first of all, I'm going to be using this plastic to mix my bleach and my developer for the bleaching process. I don't know the exact measurement. I'm just going to be using the Holy Spirit as guide for this measurement. Then my developer. Hey, I have not used too much. This thing is hot. It's hot. Damn, this is what is going on someone's hair. It's hot. Sorry. This is going to be enough. So this is what it's looking like. It's quite thick. I think it's too thick. Okay. I think it's too thick. Let me add more developer to it. Developer 2 times. It's finished. I think I added so much bleach powder. And my hair is short, so I think this should be enough, and if it's not enough I'll just add more. I'll just mix another one. So yeah, I have my gloves on. Let's go. I don't have anything that will support me. Really? Yes, I'm lubricated and better, baby. guys, I've put in the bleaching powder to bleach the hair first, and I've not even covered it, and everything has already started to turn gold. So I'm just going to use this nylon to cover. And I'll leave it for about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, just to make it fully cook, and then I'll rinse it off, and then we'll come back to top it up with the brown dye. So okay guys, so this is the first step is done, and this is what the hair is looking like right now. Very much bleached. Yes, so I rinsed it off, I rinsed it out, and then I shampooed. I used my neutralizing shampoo to rinse it again, like further. So now I'm going to let the hair dry a little bit, and then I'll go in with my Adore hair dye. Okay guys, so we're going to be going in with the Adore hair dye now. This one on my video. Everything. So I feel like after this one, I'm still going to come and put another second layer, but this is first layer. I'm going to cover it for about 15 minutes according to the instruction on the bottle of the dye. I'm going to cover it for about 15 minutes, rinse it out, and then shampoo it. And if I'm not satisfied with the results, I'll go in with another layer. So I'm going to cover it, and I'll see you guys after 15 minutes when I've rinsed it out. Okay guys, so I'm back, and this is what it's looking like after I've rinsed it off. Like, I already knew that it was not going to give after the first application, so I'm going to be going in with another application, and I feel like that should do. Yes, that should do. So let's go in with the second application. So guys, this is the final look, and I love it. I love it. I give it a solid 9. I give it a solid 9. It's not even bad at all. Like, this is it. And I think the lighting is not even doing enough justice to this hair. But let me know what you think about it. Would you have gone a little bit lighter? Even though I don't think it could have gone any lighter, because that's the shade of the dye. But I love it. What do you guys think about it? And don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop a comment and share. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.